And welcome to the latest Bitcoin update. So, my lovely traders, we're again on a Bitcoin chart, and it is the latest update. And I'm presenting to you to look at the Bitcoin latest what's happening. So, guys, the latest update with us is that the Bitcoin is losing its strength. Bitcoin is losing its strength, and the Bitcoin is trading below $20,000. This is the latest update. So let us see the next support level, and let us see what actually market is going towards and where should we trade. So guys, the Bitcoin is now trading below $20,000, and the support zone you can see over here is that should be, I think, $18,000 and 500. So 18.5 is the support zone. So I strongly believe that Bitcoin should touch this 18,000. It will test this support zone. In my yesterday's video, I also guided you that you should trade Bitcoin these days very carefully and cautiously. So the latest update for Bitcoin is, again, I should repeat for you that Bitcoin is trading below $20,000. Bitcoin is trading below $20,000. You can see this. You can see my cursor. This is the mark. Well, I must say you, I'm on a 4 hours chart. I've exported this chart as an image for you, so I can share this with you on my Telegram channel as well. We'll be moving to the trading view as well for another deeper insight. So the we can say the support level for Bitcoin is 18.5. It will test this, and you should be cautiously trading, and you should be trading below $20,000. So let's switch to this trading view and see. Well, on the trading view, I'm again on a 4 hour chart. Let's see what's happening over here, and this is the live trading here, and it's okay. So if I scroll to here, you can see that is 18. Okay, I should switch to hourly chart so you can understand better. This is an hourly chart, and let's make this chart more visible for you. My god, Sanad. Okay, well, now it's better. It's better, I think it's better. And will be some zooming out. They say always zoom out. Okay, so Bitcoin is trading at this level. That is 90,700. If we have a trend line or air, and we see that what happens there. Now guys, if we draw some other line direct crossing this one, well, so that is the point. Now let me guide you. Bitcoin is just trading below $20,000. Let me, oh my god. Okay, Bitcoin is trading below 20k. No, that is. So guys, remember, I hope you can see this text, and you can. Now the latest update for Bitcoin is that our Bitcoin is, yesterday in my yesterday's video, as we watched the market when I posted my video, uploaded my video on different platforms as well YouTube. So yesterday the Bitcoin was trading above the 20k $1,000, and today the Bitcoin is trading below 20k, and the Bitcoin is losing strength. So the strategy, I always share with you trading strategy. So the question is, what should be our trading strategy for now? For now, our trading strategy should be, we should trade below this. And let me draw some another line for you. You should trade between these points. That's it. You should trade between $90,000 to $20,000. It should be from your trading should be from 19, or we can say 90.2, 90.3 to 20.1, and that is not more than 20.2. That is the oddest, that is the, we can say the last level, sorry. So you should trade below $20,000, the first strategy, and you should, which is trading 20 below 20k, and you trade, let me, okay, you trade, you should trade here. Hmm. There's a mistake. Okay, trade below 20k. You should trade 20 below k. You should trade between 20k to and 19.2. Okay, that's, and let's share some point with you, and that is somehow we say this should be your trading strategy. This should be your trading strategy. What I hope, this should be your trading strategy. You should trade between these 2 points, and keep in mind the resistance level, if I zoom in for you, is 18,000, and you can see 525. It means 18.5 is the support zone. Bitcoin is going to test. Oh my god, what's happening? Bitcoin is going to let's set. Okay, Bitcoin is gonna test this support zone. So yeah. Mm. That is 18.5. Keep in mind. So oh no. So no, that is okay. And this should be your overall strategy for trading Bitcoin today. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you apply this strategy and make a lot of profits. Trade between these 2 points, and I emphasize on trading day trade and intraday trade. So you should be only trading, and you should be doing 2 to 3 or 4 hour trading. So thank you everyone for watching. Apply this all strategy, and give your regards in the comments below. Thank you everyone.